Hi everyone! Welcome back to MomNMeBeauty. Today we are going to be talking about the Too Faced White Peach Palette and how I intend to use it for this look. I was going for a more natural summery look because, let's face it, we're all going to be living in the pools and on vacation over the summer, and we really have no time for makeup. I mean, come on, let's face the facts. So let's get right to this video. So to start out this look, I'm going to take the shade Sweet Fig and I'm going to apply that in my crease. And I already applied eye primer. Next, I'm going to take the shade Creme de la Peach and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Next, I'm going to take the shade Peach Sorbet and I'm going to use that as a transition color for the two shades that I put on my lid already. And to finish off the look, I'm going to take the shade Peach Ice and I'm going to use that as a inner corner highlight. So to finish off the look, I'm going to take the Benefit Double the Lip Bare Real lipstick and liner, and I'm going to apply that onto my lips. So that is it for this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did have a little fun with this. Be sure to comment down below what your summer plans are and what you want to do over the summer, if you're even going to wear makeup, because I'm probably not going to wear makeup most of the summer. And remember, we post 2 beauty videos a week, one on Mondays, which is a Mom and Me day, and on Thursdays with either me or my mom. Be sure to give this video a like if you liked it, and also subscribe down below and click the little bell next to it to be notified of all of our new videos. And be sure to connect with us on Instagram under MomNMeBeauty and with me under Emma_N_2004. I again hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time in our next Mom and Me video. Bye everyone!